Hi there. Thank you so much for reading this week's Two's letter. Part of the Orton Gillingham lesson is also trying to build them toward a little more independence, right? So there are some things that you can do throughout the lesson to make sure that you are fostering that, like helping them set up their paper a certain way, helping them write the date correctly, helping them number their paper. Learning how to do those tasks really helps them create more of a routine and once again building into some more independence. But the other thing that we also want to do is to maximize our transition times. And you can do that by having them participate in the cleanup process in a more efficient way that gets them actually squeaking in a little practice. So, for instance, whenever I am ready to transition from one activity or game to something else, to another portion of the lesson, I always have my student participate in helping in the cleanup process. So, for instance, if I have something to do with letter magnets, okay, it's time to put these away now. Now, what I want you to do is you're going to hand me the magnets to put them into the case, but I want you to hand me only the vowels. Okay, so they have to pick up just the vowel letters, put them back into the case. Not only do they have to say to pick up those vowels, but I'll make them say them out loud to make it a little more multisensory. All right, so that's one way. The other way, if you're in the middle of a sort or any type of activity where there are game cards in there and it's time to clean up and put them away, you don't be the one to put them away. All right, you're not the one to do that. Make them do it. So when I say, okay, well, we're done with this sort, let's put those all away. Here's a bag. Now, when you put the cards away, this is what I would be saying to the student. I want you to take one card out, read it out loud, and then put it into the bag for me. So they don't just, pick all the cards, stuff them in the bag. They have to go, okay. All right, and I might even specify a category. All right, all the ST blends. All right, stop, step, stem, and then drop them in. And so we're building in little extra learning opportunities and maximizing learning time because, as we know, within the confines of an Orton Gillingham lesson, particularly if you're doing it during a school day, there's not a second to lose. So work in those tiny little learning opportunities when you transition from one portion of your OG lesson to the next. And I can guarantee they not only will begin to enjoy helping clean up, but also be getting some valuable extra practice. Before I go, I just want to let you know that Building Readers for a Life registration will be opening up by June 10th. This is the fourth annual summer conference. And this year in particularly, we will be offering CEUs, continuing education units, to people who would like that option. There will be a full set of details all spelled out in an informational packet for you that is coming soon. But I just want you to mark your calendar. So around June 10th should have registration open. There will be an early bird discount, so look for that. And then access will open up for the conference on August 1st for 3 months long. We have a lot of new presenters this summer, really exciting topics, a ton of topics centered around structured literacy and dyslexia awareness. So save the date, Building Readers for Life, year 4, coming soon. Have a great week.